What's up everyone? This year I'll be stepping up my game, learning how to become a machinist. I am going to take you along through my journey as I start with the very basics, which is design in SOLIDWORKS, all the way to making the components inside on the machines themselves. It is all happening right here at AMP CAD/CAM Solutions. So join me on this journey as I go from mom to machinist. My name is Alrieke van Soren. Currently, I am an applications engineer for AMP CAD/CAM Solutions. My job lets me do a lot of different things using SOLIDWORKS. And this is something that I have been doing for quite a while now, and I truly enjoy doing it. One of my biggest passions is having the ability to assist someone using SOLIDWORKS to the best of their abilities. AMP CAD/CAM Solutions is part of a bigger group of companies that have its own workshop, and in the workshop we can make a whole lot of different things ourselves. We have different CNC and lathe machines, a lot of gear cutting machines, and a few other that keep our teams constantly busy. I have always been in the mechanical design industry, and manufacturing has always been part of that. Although it's always been in the background, I discovered earlier in my career that there is always a communication gap of some sort between the design side and the manufacturing side, and I've always wanted to bridge that gap as much as possible in the work that I've been doing. I do believe that being able to learn how it's actually done will close that somewhat for me, but it will also help me assist our customers better than what I currently do, because then I'll understand both sides. Learning the language and understanding why and when I need to do something, for example, when do I use a rough mill and when do I use a face mill? That is more challenging than I expected, but I guess it comes with the territory in learning something completely new. I am starting to see how making something in a CAD tool can have a large effect on the machining side when it comes to setting up a program. For me, it was SOLIDWORKS CAM, and my very first thoughts were new buttons. But in all honesty, one of my initial thoughts were, where do you start? If it had not been for one of my colleagues, Rian, and some training on SOLIDWORKS CAM and the Titans videos, I would have for sure been lost. Okay, that was the first session done. I am quite excited. It was quite easy. I didn't expect it to be this easy. I think anybody who has just started off using SOLIDWORKS will be able to go through this. As this is the fundamentals of learning how to become a machinist, I guess learning or knowing how to design properly is extremely important. We don't want to have a situation where you've got garbage in, garbage out, so it's better to go through everything from the beginning, working your way through. It was quite easy. It's interesting to see the methods that they use to get things done. Quite excited to continue to the next session. Thank you for joining this very first step in me going from mom to become a machinist.